For an extra layer of security, adding Microsoft Authenticator is a good way to keep your Outlook account safe. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to add it. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first step is going to be done in Outlook. So I'm using the browser version. These steps will be slightly different on an app. All right, so let's jump straight into it. On the right-hand side over here, you are going to see your profile picture or the initials of your name, and you're going to go and look for My Microsoft account. You can actually also access this just by dialing in accounts.microsoft.com, and you will sign in. Now, you're going to go down and look for security on the left-hand side, and wherever you are navigating to, you will have frequent pop-up messages for you to sign in, and this is just due to the fact that it protects your account. So if you're navigating between tabs, it will ask you to sign in periodically. You may or may not see this on my screen because I have now done this recently, so it may actually just allow me to access every page. You can see over here it says manage how I sign in. You can click on this, and now you will get into this page over here. So on this page, you'll see all the ways that you can actually sign in or verify. Right at the bottom of this window, there is an add a new way to sign in or verify. You will open that up, and here you will look for the use an app. Okay, so let's click on use an app, and you will then be pushed forward to this page. So over here, it says set up the Microsoft Authenticator app. All right, so you can get the app to sign in with your phone, not just your password, or you can set up a different Authenticator app. So whichever one you prefer, you can go ahead and click on either that one if you have a different Authenticator app. But let's go and click on Get It Now, and you can download the Microsoft Authenticator app. And when you are done, you can go ahead and click on Next. Now I will grab my mobile device over here, and I'll show you exactly how to go about it. So this is now my Microsoft Authenticator app, and you can see it says add account. All right, so I haven't signed in to anything just yet. I'm going to go ahead and click on add account, and you're going to add a personal account. You can say scan QR code, and then you will have to give permission. So let's just say allow, and let's go and say yes, let's do notifications. And we will now see that we'll have the ability to scan this code, syncing your Outlook account that is on your computer, your laptop, to your Authenticator app, which is on your mobile device. It says finish account setup. You can now go ahead and say continue if you'd like to continue setting up the account, or you can just say skip for now. Okay, you can see now on your home page on the Authenticator spot on the bottom left-hand side over here, you'll have your Microsoft account, and there is your one-time passcode if you would like to then sign in. You're going to go ahead now and click on Done on your main screen over here, and you'll see now that this is now being added in to your methods of signing in or verifying your account. I hope this was helpful.